Hey everyone, I was gifted this hairdryer brush as a gift from the brand in exchange for an honest review. So let's take a look inside the box and see what you actually get when you order this product. In the package, you receive the actual Mini Pro brush, the manual, and a heat protectant glove. So my initial thoughts are, I do love the size of this brush, and I like that it can fit into small luggage or a bag or something if you're traveling. I do like the material it's made out of. It's not too heavy, and overall it looks really nice. You see it's controlled down here. Here's a close look at the bristles. And of course, they give you a nice long cord. So let's plug this in and test it out. I do like that I can dry and style my hair at the same time. And another cool feature is, as I'm twisting this brush, the cord does not get stuck because it has a 360-degree turn radius. I'm loving this hairdryer brush so far. Usually when I dry my hair with just a regular hairdryer, it's so flat, it has no volume to it at all. But with this hairdryer brush, I can give it that volume right away so I don't have to go back in and restyle it and waste more time on my hair. I really do like this hairdryer tool. I think it's doing wonders for my hair. If you like that salon style blowout look, this is really doing it for me. I like it a lot. If you're in the market for a hairdryer brush like this and you want to save time while you're blow drying your hair, then I do recommend this hairdryer brush.